Welcome to this in-depth guide on crafting an effective rollout strategy for the Salesforce mobile app. By the end of this module, you'll not only understand the importance of a thoughtful strategy, but also be equipped to explain the differences between mobile and desktop usage and discover your users' mobile Salesforce requirements. Before we dive into the nuts and bolts of developing your rollout strategy, let's address something a bit more abstract: a shift in mindset. Many customers make the mistake of trying to replicate their desktop Salesforce experience on mobile. However, mobile interactions are different, and we need to understand why. People interact with mobile devices in micro-moments, short, frequent bursts of activity, often to accomplish specific tasks. Understanding this is key to a successful mobile mindset. Let's break down micro-moments. They're short, atomic, and contextual interactions that last about a minute. These moments are opportunities to intercept users, providing value and making their jobs easier. By delivering value during these micro-moments, the Salesforce app becomes an indispensable tool, driving overall adoption and making you a hero to your users. Now, how do you translate these micro-moments into practical use cases? Start by looking at your business processes through a mobile lens. Identify time-saving scenarios that address what your mobile users need most. These scenarios become your initial use cases. Not everyone in your business needs the Salesforce app immediately. Start with your road warriors, those who are constantly on the go. Focus on key roles within your sales and service organizations. After addressing road warriors, expand to other user groups who can benefit from using Salesforce in various settings. Whether through ride-alongs, interviews, focus groups, surveys, or collaboration tools, gather insights to inform your strategy. Translate user research into actionable insights. Identify pain points and potential solutions that align with the Salesforce app. This detective work is crucial for crafting use cases that truly meet user needs. Prioritize use cases based on ease of cultural adoption and business impact. Start small, iterate, and focus on your top 3 use cases for the mobile launch. Congratulations! You've now laid the foundation for a successful mobile rollout strategy. In the next module, we'll delve deeper into implementation and execution. Stay tuned for more insights on making your mobile dreams a reality.